Hello students, this is Krupa Lakhani. I hope you all are doing well. Today we'll learn chapter 5 Working with Queries. What is a query? A query is a database object that helps us to retrieve and view information from one or more database tables that meet a specific criteria or condition which you define. The information retrieved on the basis of a specified criteria in the query is stored in a separate table called the query table. Query is a simple questions that we ask to find a specific information from the database, like which students scoring above 85% marks, which students live in sector 4, etc. etc. Creating a query in design view. Open the database and click on the create tab on the ribbon. Now click on the query design command in the queries group. The show table dialog box is displayed from which you can select tables or queries to add to the query design. Select the table from the show table dialog box on which you would like to run a query. Click on the add button and then click on the close button. Now let us understand the design grid. First, field. The first row of the design grid displays the selected field names from the table. Second, table. Beneath each field name is the name of the existing table. Third, sort. This property is used to filter data either in an ascending or descending order. Fourth, show. The show row displays a check mark. This field with check marks displays the information when the query is run. To hide the field during runtime, deselect the check mark by clicking it. Fifth, criteria. Criteria contains condition on the basis of which records will be filtered in the query output. Last, or. This property is used to set multiple criteria in a query. What are forms? In general, a form is a piece of paper on which a user fills required information in specific fields. Likewise, in Microsoft Access 2010, forms work quite similar to it. It allows you to add and update data in one record at a time in a table. Access provides three main views in which a form is displayed: form view, design view, and layout view. Form view is used to enter, edit, and view data. Design view is used to adjust the design of your form. Layout view is used to change the appearance and size of various controls of a form. Creating a form. Click on the Create tab, select the form option. A new form is created and opens in Layout view, in which you can change the appearance of a form. If you want to enter or edit data, click on the Home tab, go to View button, and then click on the Form view. What is report in Access? A report is an effective way to organize and summarize data for viewing or printing. A report can be created exactly in the same way as we have created a form. The only change is that after selecting Create tab, click on the report in the Reports group. Access creates a report and places all fields of the selected table in the report. Printing a report. To print a report, select the File tab and click either on the Print option or select the Print Preview View option. This view displays how the report will appear on a page. If needed, modify the page size, margin width, and page orientation. Thereafter, click on the Print option. The Print dialog box will appear. Set any desired print options and then click on OK. I hope you enjoyed learning features of Microsoft Access. Thank you. Keep learning, keep growing.